Hey there, ICS teachers. This is a video that will walk you through the steps for submitting technology documentation. So the first thing that we want to do is go to the accreditation website. You may already have this bookmarked, so feel free to navigate there. If not, I've created a shortened link. So if you go to bit.ly, ICS Accreditation, that takes you to our Google site that hosts all of our documentation for accreditation. So once you get here, go ahead and scroll down towards the bottom left-hand corner where it says Student Evidence 2014-2015. So I'm going to click there, and this is the page for technology. You'll take a look here, it's got some instructions. Notice that we're asking you to click Add File or Add Link to submit your documentation. We're not going to use Add from Drive. We want the documentation, the files to be hosted on the website rather than in your drive. So let me give you an example. I've got a Google slideshow here created by one of my students, and I want to document this. So I need to first download this and then upload it to the website. So if I go to File and then Download As, I have some different options. I could do a PowerPoint since this is Google Slides, but actually for this one I'm just going to do a PDF document. So when I click that, it's going to automatically download it for me, and that will be in my Downloads folder. Once it's finished downloading, I can upload it to the website. So I'm going to come back over here to the accreditation website. I'm going to click Add File, and then making sure that I'm in my Downloads folder, I can now find that file. Okay, now it's uploading to the website, and in just a few seconds that will be done. Okay, there it is. So that's my documentation. I want to add a label and a description, so I'm going to click here in the middle. You'll notice it highlights yellow. I can click here, I can add a description talking about the project, or the lesson, whatever my students did, how the technology was integrated. Also include your name here. Okay, now I'm ready to add some more. Another example I have here is in my teacher dashboard. I had my students create a movie. Notice this MP4 file. So I'm going to click on that file to open it. It's opening it up in my Google Drive now. But again, I need to download it first before I upload it to the website. So it looks like I'm having a little bit of a slow internet here, but it should be up in just a second. All right, here it is. Okay, this is the video that I want to be able to use for documentation, so I'm going to click Download. And this file is going to download for me. It should be showing up. There it is, perfect. This one's going to take a little bit longer because it's a video, but I would go through that same process of clicking Add File, locating the file, and then adding my description. Okay, the final example I have for you today is a website. My students worked together in algebra to create a website, so I want to link to this website. So I'm going to highlight the URL, I'm going to copy that, come back over here to the accreditation website, and this time I'm going to click Add Link. So when I click Add Link, notice here it says paste in the URL, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to paste that here. Okay, I can change the text that I want to display. Let's say student created website for Algebra 1. Okay, I can also add a description, maybe talk a little bit more about the website, how the students used it, and then I'm going to click Add, and then you'll notice also that this piece of documentation is added here. Okay, I could, if I need to go ahead and add a description, I can click there in the middle again. Okay, so I've added two pieces here of documentation. I hope that's helpful. If you have questions, this is not quite working for you, feel free to send me an email at edtech@ics.edu.sg. Thanks.